Good morning. Bored of staying home? Today we are going to show you how to make your own juice at home. The ingredients that we will be using is ginger, lemon, and honey. And also we need the types of scraper, and also we have to use a strainer. Make sure that get the strainer that is fine. First thing we have to do is cut a piece of ginger, any type of ginger. Cut it in about 1 inch. Peel it off. Make sure to remove all the skin. Then we have to scrape it. It's not so hard as long as you have a very strong grip. As I said before, you could use any type of ginger. See, press it a little bit so we could get the juice. Then you have to rinse it with hot water in about like maybe 1 glass of hot water. Rinse it good so that we will be able to get some of the juice. There you are. Then lemon. We only need half of the lemon. Finally, we have to use this honey in about like 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. It depends upon your taste. Stir it good, and that's it. I would say drink this before breakfast while you're empty stomach, in order for the mineral and vitamins of these ingredients will be absorbed right away. It has been said that ginger, lemon, and honey is good for your health. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.